Hi everybody, welcome to Tyler's Cooking for Kids. I'm Mike alongside Christina, Lorenzo, and Ty. Are you guys ready for this recipe? Oh man, I can't wait. You know, it's a traditional Mexican recipe. It's called Empanadas de Pina, and it's one, Christina, that you have been making for years, right?
Yes, I have been doing it with my kiddos, and they love it. Super easy, it's fast, and fun.
All right, so I'm glad you came over. So you guys are in charge of the ingredients. So what do we got in it, guys?
Okay, we got some pineapple.
There you go. Good job.
Filling.
What else?
And we have some apple filling.
That's
Nice.
just yummy, and we got a little pie crust right there. All right, Lorenzo, what do we got in this puppy?
And then we have sugar,
A little sugar, sweeten it up a little bit.
cinnamon,
Cinnamon.
and circle for the crust.
That's right. It's not a margarita glasses. We're just using it for, you know, for effect. We may use it later though. Okay, so then we've got this one little flour right here, right?
Yep, so we'll use the flour to help roll out the pie crust.
All right.
That'll help us with it.
Okay, so Christina's our expert. I'm just kind of the moderator, and they're our pastry chefs. So guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it. Let's make some empanadas de piña. All right, let's go.
What we want to do first is put some flour on the table here. We've got it all clean and ready for us. And then let's put some flour right over here and sprinkle it right on the tabletop right there. Yep, sprinkle a whole bunch. Yep. Now we're going to cut it up, and we're going to use this.
side?
Yep, go for it.
Okay.
We didn't have a cookie cutter, so we're going to use one of these. Put it on the side right here so we can use a lot more. So press down. All right, you got that?
Let's see how it turns out.
Let's see. Were you able to cut through it?
Let's see.
Yep, so just a little bit, kind of pull from there.
This is one of the parts that I get scared on.
Let's see if this works out.
Okay, can I have it?
Okay, yep, that'll work out.
Now we put the should I do it?
Okay, so keep making if you can. There. That's a great idea.
Okay, now that we got the empanadas, Lorenzo is going to...
I'm gonna be cutting up the pineapple filling and the apple filling.
Let's put them on this rack here, and then we're gonna put it on the air fryer.
Okay.
So go ahead and lay them out.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Let's put that over here. Okay.
That's good.
And it looks like the air fryer is ready. Let's come on over here.
Great time.
And put that one down below there, and we'll shut that one and get the other one ready. Okay.
Try to squeeze all.
Do I put some on the...
And then put it on here. There you go.
I
think we can fit that one in. There you go. And Lorenzo, I think we could fit that one in there, so you're fine.
Right there.
Oh, perfect. All right, let's get this back in the air fryer. All right, looks like these are done. We're gonna turn that off. And let's grab something to pull these out. Oh, those look good. Let's put that right there, and then I will grab that one. Oh, those look good. Put that there. Let's try one out. You wanna grab, yeah, let's grab one, and we can cut it up. And try it. There you go.
Can I have this one?
Yep, let's give it a try. Give it. You want to show them what it looks like inside?
What it looks like inside.
Squeeze it and comes out. 1, 2, 3.
Good.
How's it taste?
It's good.
It's good. Well, you made it.
That's all for today on Tyler's Cooking for Kids test.
Subscribe and hit that bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bye.